Hi, families! Tonight is our virtual open house. To get there, you're going to go first to Launchpad, then click on Canvas. Once the Canvas page loads, you're going to click on Homeroom, and from there, you should see your teacher's face. Scroll down to our weekly schedule, and we're going to start with Open House in the Principal Assembly link. So to get started at 6 p.m., you're going to click on Principal Assembly, and that will open up the Zoom meeting with Mrs. Saber. Then we're going to go at 6:30 or 7 o'clock to our Zoom classroom link. This Zoom classroom link will take you to our normal class Zoom link that we use every day for Zoom class. And I will have two 30-minute sessions. I highly encourage you to attend these sessions as we will go over ways that students can submit assignments on Flipgrid, important attendance information, Zoom expectations, and other information about completing asynchronous or independent learning. I hope to see you there. Have a great night.